Nestled in a breathtaking fjord in the heart of the Faroe Islands, you'll find the port of Fuglafjørður. The port's natural harbor on the island of Eysturoy allows access under any weather conditions. Over 1,000 meters of recently updated quayside allows ships of any size to safely dock, discovering an array of services at their disposal. Whether you're looking for food and supplies or a waste oil depot, the port has it all. Need a world-renowned trawl and purseine company? Or a design leader in fishing electronics? How about a specialist in hydraulics? The port of Fuglafjørður has what you need. Also located here is a fish meal production facility and the largest cold storage in the Faroe Islands, making the port a major player in the fishing industry, generating 20% of the Faroese exports. Offering excellent service 24/7, come see the difference of the port of Fuglafjørður.